Eclipta prostrata, commonly known as false daisy or bhringraj, is actually a plant belonging to the family Asteraceae, sunflower family. The plant is commonly found growing in tropical areas as well as warm temperate areas throughout the world. Yet it is widely distributed throughout India, Thailand, China, Nepal and Brazil. It is also known with the name of Eclipta alba and other popular common names of the plant: Eclipta, Tata plant, white Eclipta, white twin heads, swamp daisy, white heads, bhringraj, Congolana, thistles, trailing Eclipta, yerba targo and yerba ajo. The generic name Eclipta comes from the Greek Eclipta, to be deficient, referring to the absence of pappus on the acorns. The specific name prostrata is from the Latin prostratus and refers to the prostrate growth habit. It is a common weed in the American tropics, but in some of the northern states in the U.S., such as Wisconsin and New York, it is considered an endangered or threatened native plant. False daisy is a much-branched, variable, prostrate, ascending or erect, rough hairy annual herb that grows about 90 centimeters tall. The plant is found growing in poorly drained areas of moist black soil, prairies, muddy borders of ponds and rivers, ditches, poorly drained areas in fields, gardens and edges of yards. This plant is most often found in disturbed wetland habitats, but it occasionally occurs in areas that are drier and more developed. The plant prefers wet to mesic conditions, and a loamy or mucky soil are preferred. The plant has well-developed, cylindrical and grayish roots along with fleshy, non-woody, slender, reddish stems up to 30 centimeters or more in length, covered with short, stiff hairs, rooting at the lower nodes. Leaves are opposite, simple, rough, dull green, ovate to oblong-lanceolate. They are 2 to 10 centimeters long and 1 to 3 centimeters wide. Apex is acute or blunt, base attenuate, margin entire or slightly serrate, pubescent, mostly sessile. The lower leaves are occasionally short petioled, basally swollen hairs on both surfaces, veins prominent. Flower heads are up to 1 centimeter in diameter, a cluster of sessile white flowers, in upper axils or terminal, solitary or 2 heads together. Peduncle, thickened at the top, variable in length, 0.5 to 7 centimeters long, hairy. Involucral bracts 5-6, green, ovate, interrows, outer ones 4 to 6 millimeters long, inner ones usually shorter, prominent, and hairy. Ray flowers are marginal, pistillate and fertile. Corolla is white, ligulate, 2 or 3 millimeters long. Disc flowers are numerous, central, perfect, fertile, corolla whitish, tubular, minute, 1.5 to 2 millimeters long. Stamens are 5, separated filaments, anthers coalesced to form a tube around the style. Primary constituents of Eclipta alba consists of derivatives of theophene, woodellolactone, dimethylwoodellolactone, dismethylwoodellolactone, 7-glucoside isoflavonoids, flavonoids, glycosides, tritopene, sharp S-amarin, luteolin, 7-O-glucoside, luteolin, stigmasterol, alpha-terthional methanol, beta-amarin, woodelic acid, ecliptine, alkaloids and saponin. Please like, share and subscribe.